Okay everyone, this video is on multiplying polynomials, also sometimes known as a distributed property. So what I did was take 3 problems from our review worksheet, as you can see. Here's problem number 8. Notice how I have just one term, that -6, on the outside of the parentheses. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute that -6 and multiply each of the terms that are inside the parentheses. In other words, I'm sharing it. Now I'll go ahead and use the area model, since some of you guys seem to prefer that. Most of you probably don't, but it's a good way to keep it organized. So notice how I put the -6 on the outside here, and then the 4v and the +8 go on top, and each one of those terms gets its own section. And now it's just a matching game, right? -6 times 4 means I have -24v in here. And then -6 times the 8 gives me the -48. What is my final answer? -24v minus 48. Please be careful about the negatives, guys. Okay, you guys will be careless and you'll forget one or both of them, and the answer is going to be wrong then. So pause the video if you need to take some notes. Okay, here's problem 10 from our review sheet. Again, I'll use the area model just to satisfy everybody. So this one's going to have to be a little bit wider here. So I'm going to take the -4x, take the +1. Each one gets their own row. I'm going to take the 5x and the -1. Each of those terms gets a column. So now it's just a matching game again. I know if I times these two, I get -20x squared. Again, x times x is x squared. Watch your powers. Multiplying, you add exponents. Now I'm going to do -4 times -1, and I'm going to get +4x. Again, watch your variables. There is an x right there. Now I'm going to take the 1 with the 5x. So that's going to be a +5x. And then finally, 1 times -1 is -1. So what is my final answer? -20x squared. The 4 and the 5x go together, so that's 9x minus 1. Pause the video if you need to take notes. Okay, finally we'll do one more here. Again, let me set up my area problem here. I got my n and my +2. I got my -2n and my -7. Each term gets their own row or column. Now I'm ready to go here. I know n times -2n is -2n squared. N times -7 is -7n. Again, watch those variables and powers and your negatives, right? And then I'm going to take 2 times -2 and get -4n. And 2 times the -7 gives me -14. So unless I made a mistake, I should be done here. My answer is -2n squared. I have some n's I can put together. -7 and -4 is a -11n. And then, of course, a -14. And that is how you use the FOIL method, distributed property, area model. It has various sorts of different names. But basically, that's how you multiply polynomials. Please pause the video one more time, guys. Okay, hopefully you'll find this video helpful. Please study and be ready for the quiz. Until next time, bye.